Hi everyone, in this video we'll talk about another math trick which can be used for faster calculation. For example, suppose if I have to multiply 48 and 52, so how will I do that? So if you look at it carefully, this number are symmetrical around 50. So this can be written as um, 50 minus 2 square into, no, not square, 50 minus 2 and 50 plus 2. So that will be equal to 50 square minus 2 square. So the answer will be equal to uh, 2496, right? Same way, suppose if I have to do 79 into 81, so the answer will be equal to 80 square minus 1 square. So this will be equal to 6399. Suppose if we have to do it against like suppose 15 into 17, so in that case it will be equal to 16 square minus 1 square, that's equal to 255. Another example is 95 into 105. Here it will be equal to 100 square minus 5 square, so that gives me 9975. So this is how you can use this trick for faster calculation, which for the numbers which seems difficult in the beginning, but if you remember this trick, this can be done very quickly.